Okay, so I'm going to do 3 separate videos for the 3 different practical parts of this. The first is the single lens system. And in all of these, we're going to be referring to 2 different lenses. One is the test lens. That's the smaller of the 2 lenses that you have. And then the other is the large lens, which is also called the object lens in the second part of this. The smallness of the lens or the largeness of the lens doesn't mean that the focal point of those lenses are small or big. It's just, how much light do those lenses gather? They're bigger in the size of the actual glass. You're going to have an optical bench that's set up like this. It's 1 meter long. There's a tape measure that goes from 0 centimeters to 100 centimeters. You're going to place your light bulb at the end of this. Now the light bulb has a little screw taped onto it, and so that is going to be the position of that screw is going to be your object position. Okay, the first part's pretty simple. All that you're going to do is you're going to take your test lens and you're going to place it on the optical bench, and then you're going to take a screen and you're going to position them so you get a clear image on the screen. That image should be crisp. You should be able to see the threads on the screw. It's so crisp. It will be obvious. You'll see as you move the screen around that the image gets blurry or the image gets clearer. Then you will measure the object distance P and you measure the image distance Q. Once you have that, you can measure P, measure Q. It says calculate it on your lab manual. That just means that you're taking the difference in the lens position and the object position, or the lens position and the image position. But you're measuring it. And then you calculate F. Remember, 1 over F is equal to 1 over Q plus 1 over P. After you get that, you can also calculate your magnification, which is negative Q divided by P. Okay, so that is the first part for the single lens system. You are measuring or calculating F 3 times, and you calculate an average F.